So we're about to start this damn thing up, unfortunately, which is sketchy as fuck. So, let's see if I can show you guys the engine real quick. There's the engine and all the work done. Shiny as fuck. And then you got that AC delete kit. So yeah, we're gonna start this up and break in the cam. Ready?
Yeah. Sorry, that was me.
It won't stay at 2.
No, keep going. That was me. That was my fault.
What, that it wouldn't stay at 2?
Yeah, that was my fault. Keep going.
So I had it at 2, like I'm between that, right?
Yeah.
And then it starts to go, and then I kick it, and then it'll go like this.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Alright, so we just tried to break the cam in, kept dying out, so we're getting really pissed off right now. Timing was a huge issue, so that's bothering us. Also, the top of the coolant, where the thermostat goes, it's one of those you don't need gaskets, and it leaked, so we're putting a gasket on.
That's fine there. Just keep doing that.
We're about 15 minutes in. So we done fucked up.
Don't go in there yet.
We done fucked up.
Oh, fuck.
What about underneath?
No, it's the spark plug wire.
Hey, look who's here, Michael. Look at this.
What about plug wire?
Yeah,
Don't
we had.
go in there. There's the stuff. You can't breathe that in.
Oh yeah, that's right. Shit. We had a spark plug wire go up on it. This is the aftermath. Everything's covered. Spark plug right.
This one right here.
Right there, caught on fire.
It's because the headers were blowing and this melted.
Yeah, I'll put
So
the
it
video
dropped.
in if I can, but yeah, so this was kind of on fire over here. And the headers were glowing. Is there a battery? Oh, this is the timing. And yeah, so that'll be a bitch to clean.